we brought the 2 backsplash options that you guys love, but put them on bigger boards.
Okay.
But first, I mean, wow, it is looking absolutely amazing in here. And those bifold doors are gonna look incredible.
Gorgeous.
I know.
It's
Isn't
huge.
it? I'm so excited. Everything, like, it's amazing.
And look at all the area that you have for backsplash. Here they are on bigger boards. What do you guys think?
Well, I really do like this one.
I like the shine. I like the wine bottle.
What do you think about this one?
But
I do like this too because it's more stylish.
they're really both nice.
So, final decision?
If I were to choose, I think I really would like this one.
I do too. I think I'm with you on this one here.
Yes.
What?
Wait.
What?
Wait, well, there is a little bit of maybe bad news. This one does have a 4-week delay, or this beautiful one right here could go in right now.
I absolutely love this. And any other time, I'd be willing to wait for something. I have a lot of patience, but right now I don't have a lot of patience.
But that's your first choice
It
for
is.
both of you.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, enough said. The deal was...
James and I have a bet going. Whichever backsplash you guys chose, if you chose this, I won. If you chose that, he won. If he won, I had to provide a really fancy dinner.
in an exotic location.
Oh,
And if I won, he cooks me dinner wearing his special outfit.
Oh, very nice.
They chose, technically, this one.
I-
By default and
We
in
could've
stock.
been-
and
we
all
could've
that.
been bribed,
There's a
too.
winner, and then there's not. And the one that's going up is the winner, and that's me.
But the one that was chosen was there. So you know
I
what?
do agree with that.
You have to play fair.
You know what? Okay. I love
Okay.
it. You won.
Thank you.
We'll get this one ordered.
Yep.
I'll start thinking about where I'm taking you.
Good.
I
Thanks,
think
guys.
you get to choose, right?
Well, I'll see what she has to say, and then I'll see if
okay.
that's up to my standards for exotic locations.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They're both beautiful.
They are.
Yeah, they're gonna look great.
With the backsplash going up and the cinder blocks being installed, we're closing in on the finish line. I want to check in with Mike and Tressa one last time before everything's finished. Hey, guys.
Hi.
Hey.
How's that RV living going?
Oh,
I'm ready to be done,
done,
with it.
yeah.
I
It's going good.
Okay, well, we're getting close. The cinder block looks so good. It looks like it was never taken out. Uncle Butch is pretty amazing.
I know. They did a really great job.
I know that the backsplash is almost in. I can't wait to see it. Mike.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hey.
Wow.
Just stopping by, huh?
Oh, wow.
This is insane.
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
It looks
Totally.
incredible.
Yeah.
I think we made the right call on the backsplash. too.
Right?
Uh,
You guys, I owe James dinner, but this was definitely the best choice.
It just looks so good from every angle.
Well, I'm glad you guys
Yeah.
love it. It all worked out.
Yes.
And worth it for living in there for so long?
Oh,
Yes.
without a doubt.
Okay, so 1 week.
1 week.
Okay, so here's the deal. From here on out, no coming inside the house, no peeking. James and I are gonna dial it. I want it to be a surprise. I want first reaction, so we have a deal?
All right.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah?
Yes, for that, I will do that.
It'll be worth it.
Yes.
As long as it's done next week. All right.
Next week, yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Next week.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. See, he only has a little bit of backsplash left to go.
I know.
and We're good.
Sweet.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This feels like a completely different house. I mean, they always do, but this one, like, extremely. A little ambiance. Janice did a great job.
Oh, that's gorgeous. She did a beautiful job.
Today is the day we get to show Tressa and Mike their finished space. It's been a huge project with a lot of setbacks, but after 6 long months, I think we've achieved the look they were after while still staying true to the mid-century vibe of their home.
That looks
It
amazing.
really does. Oh, what a difference. They're gonna be so happy. All right, guys. Well, I know this house is super sentimental. It was your grandparents' home. We had a lot of big ticket items come up. Plumbing, electric, the giant trench out here.
Right.
But in the end, I think it was worth every penny because the home looks incredible and it's basically brand new.
I'm nervous to see what's going on.
I'm excited though.
Okay, I won't hold
We'll
it.
be good.
Won't hold you up any longer.
Okay.
All right, welcome home.
Oh my goodness.
It is so rad. Oh my
Amazing.
God.
Holy moly, it's a new house.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It must
Amazing.
feel like very overwhelming because the house
Wow.
has come a long way. It went from being very boxy and a tiny kitchen to just wide open and a
Wide
perfect
open.
family home.
You walk in and it's just, wow, feels like a brand new house.
Just seeing out to the backyard, I feel like I was in a resort. Oh my God.
I noticed you saw the
my
surprise.
Oh, that is so pretty. It looks just like growing up.
James and I met with
Oh my
an
God.
artist friend of his, and we had her recreate it. It's just such an amazing memory. I grew up
Yeah.
going to my grandparents' house all the time too, and
Yeah.
It's
To
special.
save that look, the way that it looked too before. So
Oh, yeah.
nice. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I love this island. This is the centerpiece here that just brings everything together.
The
We can
island.
all fit in here.
Yep.
And we don't have to go through a door to get here. Look at the backsplash. I love it. It's
I
so
know it.
shiny and pretty.
It's incredible.
The walnut lowers and the white uppers. I love how everything plays off each other.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, and look at that.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a framed piece of art.
Right? I told you from the inside it looks
Yes.
Oh,
really,
yeah, it really
cool.
does look good.
It really does. Mike's guys did a great job of lifting and raising all the ceilings to one height.
Oh yeah,
It
totally.
makes it blend together and feel like one big space. I love it.
100%.
Yeah.
Look at this double pantry.
Oh, yeah.
Where's
I
your
wanted the
pantry?
double pantry.
Go open it.
Oh, look at that. I got to check that out.
Yeah.
Double pantry, and talk about storage. You guys have like more cabinets than I've ever done.
I have never had this much storage.
Wow.
Might not even be able to fill it all.
I don't know. I might be able to.
Remember, it was like a bathroom
Yes, and laundry.
and laundry.
Yeah.
Right.
It was worth the sacrifice of losing the bathroom and the laundry area because we've gained so much more.
I love
There's
it.
a surprise.
Ooh,
We were also able to find a spot for
the fondue
The
pot.
fondue.
Ooh, I don't have to go out to
Wow.
the garage to get it.
Yep.
And we can just
Very
pull
nice.
it out and use it.
My favorite part is the new appliances. Now we've got a beverage fridge, refrigerator. We've got a brand new range right there in the middle of the island. It's just simply amazing. I like the big family room aspect. It was so dark before, the wood walls, and you know, it's just bright. You know, we're gonna be able to spend so much time together, and it's just blowing me away. I'm at a loss for words.
Yeah.
And that doesn't happen much.
Right.
Remember the faux fireplace that used to be in the corner?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Remember that?
It's hard to imagine it there anymore.
I was hoping to forget it.
It just like took up unnecessary real estate. Now it just feels clean, crisp, modern.
Totally.
Yeah, it didn't serve a purpose at all.
And then those bifold doors. These doors were a big expense, but definitely worth it.
Worth
The indoor
every
outdoor
penny.
feel, right?
Oh yeah. It's wide open. We're just so stoked.
I know.
It's unbelievable.
I love that you can see from any part of the kitchen all the way to the pool area. I can just picture you guys entertaining here.
Yes, we have a big family and we want everyone to enjoy it over here.
It's crazy this is our house. I am so excited to get out of that RV.
Yeah, it'll be so great to sit on a couch in the living room and cook dinner and have friends over.
And move my arms out this far.
Coming into this, I was worried about changing the memories of this home, but I feel like it's made it even better. My grandmother would be absolutely ecstatic about this. She'd be saying, "When's the party?"